All right, Charles. So B, what is the probability that I'm late? Then we're looking for this probably that he's just late. Then, well, okay, I denoted being late as PW, right? I should have done it in L, but well, okay. So the probability that he's just late for work is PW. How PW is being calculated is you just need to add everything here. PW, W, PW, and then W. But do not just go ahead and just like add all these numbers, then you will not get the answer. So what you need to do is actually you need to multiply all these numbers before W so that you need to get the answer, and then you can get the answer. So let me just explain to you why that is the case. Okay, so we are just calculating here probability of being late, right? Then first, uh, there are four cases that we need to consider, right? The first, the first scenario here is it it rains outside and it's heavy traffic outside, and he lates for work. And the second scenario is that uh, it's raining outside and there is no heavy traffic outside, and then he's late for work. And then it's not raining outside and heavy traffic outside, and then he is late for work. And then it doesn't rain outside, there's no heavy traffic outside, and then he is late for work. So we are calculating this, right? So then how does this amount to PW, right? You should be asking yourself this question, okay? So let me just explain to you why this is the case. So first of all, um, these all are given this way. I hope you're doing well, Charles. So PW, but it rains outside, and then this one, PW, given that this, and then here, PW, that it's this, right? And then PW, and then this. Yeah, oh my God, there's a lot to consider here, right? So we are looking for when it rains outside. No, not rains outside. I mean, it's so complicated that I keep making, verbal mistakes here. But the probability that he's late, given that this is going on and this is going on and this is going on and this is going on, right? Then what is our PW? PW is calculated by NS over NW, right? So think about this over here. Then if you rewrite this in the conditional probability, then what you have here is P R H and then P W R H, right? So you are like adding everything up. So what's going on here is we kind of need to implement a Venn diagram to explain this more effectively, okay? But you should be able to know that just the sum of all this is just PW. It should be intuitive because we are considering like every case that is possible here. So if you sum up everything, then you will definitely have PW here, right? But let me just explain this with a Venn diagram. So we have W, and then we have R, and then we have H. Okay? So then the first thing is we are talking about this case. So R intersection H is over here, right? R intersection H is over here. So the probability that the W happens is over here, like this one, right? So I marked it with orange. And then uh, the R intersection H complement is over here. And then the probability that the W happens is over here, right? And then uh, this third case, let's do it with purple. Uh, R complement intersection H is like this part over here. And the probability that the W happens is over here. Okay, and now let's mark the last one with pink. Then R complement intersection H complement. R complement is over here, right? And the H complement is over here, and then their intersection is just W, right? Is just W, like this, like so R H, and then we're talking about like this one over here, and the probability that W happens is just going to be this section. Therefore, it's just this. Therefore, we just get the whole W if you just calculate everything, right? Then all we need to do is just multiply now. So 1 over 2, 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 12 over 1. So the probability here is 12 over 1 over 12, and then now this one here is 1 over 4, 1 over 6, 1 over 24, and then this one over here is 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 12, I think, right? Because 1 over 8 times 2 over 3, and then, yeah, 12 over 1, and then the last one here is 1 over 8, 3 goes away, and then 1 over 2 is 1 over 16. So if you add up everything over here, then 1 over 12 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 24 plus 1 over 16. Oh my god, I hate it. So this is 1 over 6, right? And then this is 1 over 24 and 4 plus 1 over 16. Why do we have 16 over here? Okay, we do have 16. Okay, then 5 over 24 plus 1 over 16. Then, oh my god, then 48, right? Should come down here, and then 10, and then 3. Therefore, the answer here is 13 over 48. This is a long problem to explain. I'll have to come back in the next video. Alright?